How to refund games on Steam. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily refund your games on Steam. So first thing, simply head over to your Steam application, and once you're inside here, just click on your profile icon over here. Make sure you're signed into your account, and then you will be seeing this option, and then just click on account details from over here, which will take you to this page where you can see your view purchase history. So simply tap on it, and as you can see I haven't purchased anything yet, so there's not showing any video games. So if you have purchased it, it will be shown over here around this area. So you just have to select on any of the game which you have already purchased and which you want the refund from. So simply select the game, tap on it, and then simply click on, scroll down below, and you have to click on this option called I would like a refund, as you can see, as I have shown on you as a screenshot over here. And you just have to click on this button which says I would like a refund, and just select the option. After that, you have to give your reason why you don't want or why you want refund for that particular app. And once you do that, just select any one of the reason. Mostly it is because most people choose as a free, it game was too difficult or it won't start, so choose any one of the specific reason. Then just click on the submit request button, and the team will view your request and will successfully review back to you, and your refund process will start just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.